I built WebAct, a browser agent that uses vision language models to navigate the web autonomously. No hardcoded selectors, no XPath. It reads a screenshot and decides what to do from there. The architecture is a closed loop: perceive, plan, act, evaluate. A vision-LLM interprets the current page screenshot. A planner converts the goal into a concrete action. After each step, a self-critic scores whether progress was made. If that score drops below a threshold, meaning the agent is stuck, it backtracks and reroutes. That self-correction loop is the main technical contribution here. Running it is straightforward. Clone the repo, drop your API key into the config, and call the agent with a natural language goal. It opens a real browser session and works through the task step by step. No further input needed. Worth noting, this whole project was built end-to-end by an autonomous multi-agent pipeline I designed. Code generation, testing, and iteration without manual intervention. All the source is on GitHub under Ritik Paddle. If you're working on browser automation or agentic eval loops, the self-critic module in particular is worth a read.